Okay, so here we have the hair dryer professional salon negative blow dryer, and I was always trying to open it up, see how to open it so it wouldn't be a problem. But this is the blow dryer right here. Instructions, everything is on the back. Available worldwide, or voltage, folding hair dryer. You can fold it too. So yeah, So I used to be traveling a lot, so I know this will come in handy. Oh, they come in a little cute little bag. Cute. Oh, they say, oh, jump. I know that's right. Oh, jump. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so half. And these two. How do you put all this stuff in that little bitty bag? What else is in here? Okay. Instruction manual. That way. Okay, so everything's out the bag. Everything out the bag. Out the bag. Glove wrap. Where's my look? Hello. Let me. Okay, I'm stopping. Okay, so here it is. And it say, oh, did y'all? Well, blow dry, you know you can flip over and pow, pop it open. Flip it down, pop it open. Pow. Flip it down, pop it open. Okay. So, let's get this untied. Got it. And you see on the back, reset, play again, in the safety. Let's plug it up to see what it do. Okay. Yeah, baby, yeah. This little thing got some blow. High, low. High, low. Flip it down, pop it up. Yeah. This definitely, look at that. So, you know what? When we was up in our hair, whatever, stuff like that, I can sit over your head just like that. You can find those airbags and put it around this, and this could be a hair dryer, a regular hair dryer. You put it down like that, like look at that. Put it right, just like that. Ooh, yeah. Okay, I like it. Down, up, low, and this the levels in between. All right, so that was the jump blow dryer, and it's portable. Flip it down. I like that. Flip it down. Flip it up. Bow.